Hello YouTube, it's Rubik's here, and in today's video it's actually going to be a tutorial how-to video on how you can optimize your computer and make it go faster. Let's just say it that way. Because I have been getting some messages about people saying that their computer lags when they play Minecraft or just universally when they do anything. Their computer will slow down and start to lag. So hopefully my little tutorial here will help anybody watching the video. So if your computer is lagging, you could always go right click and click refresh. This always helps. Do this a few times and this helps a bunch, trust me. And so you could do that. Then you can go to start, and you're gonna want to go to all programs, then go to accessories, and then system tools. Over here you're going to go into disk cleanup. Now I know a lot of people have said this in videos, and I'm pretty sure you know this already, but I just want to put it out there. So, and believe me, this really helps your computer. It really helped me record for my Minecraft videos, because back then, I don't know if you watched my very first Let's Play, they were extremely horrible. The quality was bad, it just lagged like crazy, and doing everything in my video here really helped me a lot. I learned a lot of things from a lot of people, and this just really helps. So once you're in disk cleanup here, what I do is I just check every single box here, like that. So you can do that, okay? But I'm pretty sure if there is something there you would like to save, then you could just like uncheck it, or like you don't want to clean out your recycle bin yet, you can just uncheck it. But I want to clean mines out. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna hit OK. Then yes, delete the files. Okay. So we're just gonna let that go. Hopefully it won't take too long, because I did not have that much junk on there. Okay. Yes, it did not take that long, and that was just awesomeness. So let's refresh that. Then now what you could also do is you could go back to accessories and then system tools again. Then I suggest doing this at least once a month. It really helps also. You're gonna want to click disk defragmenter, and for some reason mine is not opening. Did I click it or what? Okay. System tools. I did click it. Okay. So you're gonna want to click this. Then you click which drive you want to defragment, and you if you have multiple drives like me, you can defrag each and every one of them, or if you have only one drive, you can defrag that also. So I'm not gonna do that right now because it takes too long. So, but I do suggest doing that because it really helps, and I suggest doing that at least once a month to help. So, what else? Let's see. And also, if you want, I recommend a program called CCleaner. It's a free program. You can get it off filehippo.com, and it just works a bunch. Trust me, it is just really helpful. And right here, yes, black screen. Right, there you go. Now, this helps in so much ways. You all you have to do is just click analyze, and it will clean everything for you. It well, not everything, but it cleans a lot. You can click run cleaner and click OK. Now, just like the disk cleaner, you have options on which ones you want to delete. Like if you don't want to delete your history, you can uncheck that. So you just keep clicking run cleaner until you've got a nice clean screen, except for the Google Chrome, because my Google Chrome is open there. So that is good also. As I said, refreshing is always good. Now there's this one last step which helps a lot, as in major big time a lot. But you have to sacrifice appearance for performance. But that is your decision. This is only optional if you want to do this, but I do this because it just helps use everything. It just helps a lot. So you're gonna want to go to computer. You're gonna want to right click it and then hit properties. Now everything I'm doing here works for XP, Vista, and Windows 7. You do the exact same thing, and it works for those three. So after you right click my computer and click properties, you're going to want to click advanced system settings. The system properties are going to pop up. Now if I remember correctly, on XP it won't look exactly like this, but it'll have two rows of tabs here. On XP you're going to want to click advanced, but for I think Vista and Windows 7 it'll already be on advanced. But I don't know about Vista because I don't use Vista. Well, I have used Vista before, but that's on my laptop and I don't even use that anymore. So you're going to want to go to the performance area and you're going to want to click settings. Now this is what I was talking about. If this is your decision, you sacrifice appearance for performance. Now you see how fancy everything looks with all the graphics and the curves and the shadows and all the fading effects. Now all of that uses your computer so much. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click adjust for best performance. Then you're going to want to click apply. This might take a while. This might take a while. Depending on computers, they do take a while. It's probably going to take a while on my computer because I have a bad processor. I seriously need to get a new one. Okay, it just says please wait, and you'll have this weird gray screen, and that's normal. That's normal. If it does take a little longer than what I have, it's normal. Just let it go, because for slower computers it does take a while. And there we go. Now this is what I was talking about by sacrificing appearance for performance. Now as you can see how everything looks and how old it looks, all grayish and squarish, nothing curved, no shadows or anything. Now this dramatically increases your computer's performance in every way. Now if you don't mind having your computer like this, I do suggest it. And also one thing, you might wonder if you have pictures and you don't have a thumbnail of it. It just has the icon of which program it opens with or something. So what you want to do that is you're going to want to go over here, and where is that? Here we go. Show thumbnails instead of icons. So it shows a little picture of the picture that you have as an icon as an icon. It has a little thumbnail of it. So you're going to hit that and click apply, and then click OK. So after that you can click OK here, and then you can close that. So this ends my tutorial today, and I hope that these tips help your computer. I know my friends that I've told this to has really helped them, and everyone else who was asked if I could help clean their computer, this really helps. Now if you don't want to sacrifice appearance for performance and do the thing I just did, you don't have to do it, but I'm just saying that if you do this, it helps a lot, and it increases your computer speed by a lot. Doing this really helped in my Minecraft videos, so I didn't have to put it on the graphics on, instead of fancy, I put it on fast, and I put the lighting on off, the smooth lighting on off. But now that I've done all of this, I can keep the videos on fancy and smooth lighting on, because your computer doesn't use that much anymore. So that also helps. So thank you for watching my tutorial, YouTube, and as I said, I hope my tips here have helped you, and please tell me about how it helped you because your feedback is important to me. And please watch some of my other videos. Um, not not the first ones, but you can watch them if you want. But they're kind of bad, blurred, bad quality, and everything. But I leave those there because of the memories. I just leave that there for the memories that I had. So, but you can watch some of my newer videos that are clearer. I do upload videos once a day, sometimes two, sometimes three, depending on my schedule. So, once again, thanks for watching YouTube, and like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me how these tips have helped you in improving your computer's performance. So, thank you, YouTube.